Hey, what's happening? It's Michael Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how do people make money from the comfort of their home. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. So hey, how's it going? So just want to say welcome to this space, and if you're new here, please go ahead and like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming wonders, upcoming valuable information that I provide people. So how do people make money from the comfort of of their homes? That's the topic of today. And to answer that question, I just got to tell you that when I started in this industry, I was really, struggling. I was tired of the 8 to 9 job. I was tired of being in a corporate, job that I just didn't like. I just didn't feel that like doing that, for the rest of my life, right? So I went online for a way to become my own boss, for a way to write my own paychecks, because I saw people were actually making money, from the comfort of their homes, right? I wanted to be close to my wife. I wanted to be close to my loved ones and do something, for myself, do something that can actually change the lives of my loved ones. So after doing that, and after doing what I was able to do, I became passionate about sharing this idea with others, sharing that secret, which there's no big secret, just finding something that really is going to get you to where you want to go, right? Find a vehicle that's going to get you to where you want to go. So this is my what you see right here on the screen is actually my blog, right? If you want information on how to make money online, how to create create your own income, be your own boss. This is the blog to go to, is succeedwithmichael.com, and there I share so much value. You can work with me directly, or you can actually go to my the resources that I recommend for you to really change your life. So you can change your life and change your lives of the people that surround you, because when your life changes, so does the people. So if you have a big why, if you have like you have an ambition or a desire to change something in your life, this is for you, right? This is for you. So let me go ahead and get down to it. So how do people make money from the comfort of the home? So let me share with you this actually it was posted in our group the other day. This person right here made, I'm gonna scroll down, he made a commission, right? Let me show you. So he made a commission of $6,000, right? That's a commission of $6,000. Somebody decided to change their lives, and this person earned $6,000. Now, how did he do that? That's the question. Well, let me show you what this person wrote here on the post. He said, all I did was drive traffic to an offer, right? Free or paid, whatever it is. He drove traffic to an offer, and what happened is that the person, one of the visitors that went through the offer, actually saw something that they were looking for, and they decided to purchase something through the offer. Now, just because this person makes $6,000, you just got to give a big disclaimer here. Doesn't mean that you're gonna get paid $6,000. I'm showing you this because just show you what is possible. This is how I make money online as well. So, but results might vary from person to person. You just got to be patient. You got to be consistent. Just like this person wrote here, be patient. You need to put time, right? You need to put time or money, into your business to start getting results. It's actually, it's common sense, right? So that's the secret. That's what he did to actually make that $6,000 commission. So how do people make? How do you actually make that money? Well, first of all, how he made it and how I make it is actually through something called affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically what you're doing, you're selling other people's products, right? You're getting paid for referring people to products that are already created by a company. So what you do is that you find a company that is reliable, a company that has integrity, of course, a legit company, and you become an affiliate. Now, before you do this, though, you have to make sure that you find a niche. You find a niche that you want to serve. So, for example, if you are into fitness, getting buff and all that stuff, then you want to, and you're passionate about it, you want to be, you want to become an affiliate, or find a company that provides products that serves that market, right? Now, or if you're a person that just want to find a company that pays well, pays high commissions, then you want to find a company that does that as well. Now, below this video, there is my #1 recommendation that you can click on and get access to. And that's how, with that recommendation, you're going to be able to get started in a legit company and learn how to really market on the internet, how to really make money on the internet, just like I have. So that's that's like my big secret right there. Is that's how people make money on the internet, is through affiliate marketing. And it's the best way if you're starting out, because you don't have to create your own products, you don't have to create your system, your own systems. All you do is first learn, get trained right by the right people. Once you get trained, because you want to know, you want to make sure that you're doing things properly. If you're into growth, if you're into learning, and you have a big why, you want to change your life, you want to, first you want to learn the information, learn the skill, and then you're going to go out there and apply what you learned, which is simply how to drive traffic. That's what I teach people on this channel, what I teach people on my blog, what I teach people on my Facebook group, is pretty much these three things. So first of all, this is all you need. So you need a product or service that solves a problem in your chosen niche. The second thing you're going to need is a high converted system that does telling and selling on your behalf. And then the third thing you're going to need is pretty much how you're gonna need to learn how to drive traffic into that system. Really simple stuff, but if you're starting out and you never have any experience in this, doing it yourself can be hard. So you want to make sure that you're affiliated with a company that teaches you how to do it right. And again, my #1 recommendation: you click that link below and you access that information. You're gonna get access to a one-on-one, business advisor. You're gonna get access to a 15-day business builder challenge where you're gonna learn the ropes. How to really market on the internet, how to really earn full-time income from the comfort of your home, like me, like a lot of people are doing it, right? So I hope you got value from this video. If you're ready to take action, you're ready to change your life, go ahead and check out that information I left. Just click that link where it says my #1 recommendation. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my coming videos, go ahead and click, hit subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be more than glad, to answer that, the questions that you might have. And I will really appreciate if you just, share this video with somebody that you believe that can benefit from it, because we're here to make the world a better place. All right. So again, this is Michael Cruz, and hope you learn how to, how people make money on the internet. This is actually the best way, is through affiliate marketing. And again, thank you for tuning in. See you next time.